SCS Trees is a small tree service that serves Cherokee and Cobb counties. We specialize in heavy tree removal, backyard clearing, dangerous jobs, and we are focused on top service and quality. What makes our business so special is I have about 20 years of small business ownership experience and I've run some large building companies, and I'm really able to use all that experience to provide great service on the small scale projects that we do in tree removal, 1 and 2 day projects. What I'm most passionate about SCS Trees is the team of guys I have together that gets to do a very difficult, dangerous job on a daily basis. There's a lot of just excitement and adrenaline that comes along with that. The other big thing is that at the end of the project, when I have happy customers that give us good reviews and call us back for future work, there's just a lot of satisfaction that comes from doing an excellent job for someone. As the owner of SCS Trees, I do all of our estimates personally. They're free, and I encourage you to set it up today.